So welcome to my channel. It's Liv, and if you're new to my channel, hey, how are you? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how I do my head wraps. I've been getting so many compliments from people on social media and people like when I'm out and about, and I had so many people asking me, how did you wrap your head wraps? Where did you get them from? Like, it's really easy. You can use like simple scarves that's long enough to wrap your head in, or you can use something as simple as a t-shirt. Short sleeve or long sleeve, it really does not matter as long as you can be able to accomplish this. Now this head wrap that I have on my head is actually my favorite mustard long sleeve t-shirt, and I thought it was really pretty, so I've been rocking this look today. So yeah, if you are ready for the sleigh and to see how I did these amazing head wraps, keep watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on head wraps. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Please let me know where I can get some really good head wraps of scarves, because I am looking for new scarves and new head wraps, whatnot. So please put in the comment section where I can get some really affordable head wraps and scarves, where I can do like some more head wraps. And let me know if you want to see a tutorial on a whole outfit paired with head wraps, just to see how that's going to look. So let me know if you guys want to see that, and I thank you guys for tuning into this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.